You were not gonna put this on Facebook, Rosa. I know you.
Oh, come on.
I would.
Wait, back it out. Try it again.
How many
No, back it
challenge
out.
ministry students does it take?
This is what's today? March 5th.
April.
Oh, no.
Actually, I can't get it.
April 5th.
Fourth?
It's the 5th.
That's
It's
the
the
5th?
5th. We're arguing about what day it is.
Fourth.
I got them both.
We're arguing about the day we can't get a seatbelt working.
Just pull the whole guts out.
Get it. Just get it. You got it. Just
I
get
didn't even know you
it.
could pull the guts out.
This is what we do on our rides to fundraising. We fight with the
There's like
seatbelt.
That's right.
See, there's a guy back there. I think his name is Daniel. He's trying to push the seatbelt under.
You got it, dude.
Yeah, but it's not. Cut that.
This is what we do.
Lord God, please don't let cops come around right now.
Oh gosh.